Hi, hello. Welcome to this another video. In this video, we are going to talk about what is funnel and what is click funnel. Okay. In any industry, any business, any digital marketer, they want success in their business means they need to follow their build their funnel. Okay. So this funnel going to help your business to the 10x value. Let me explain one by one. Let me share my screen. Okay. So when you talk about a funnel, uh, in any business, any marketer, they may talking about their sales funnel, right? So what do you mean by funnel? I will show you. So funnel thing, it's kind of four stages of funnel we need to know about it. That is the IDA. What do you mean by IDA? IDA, awareness and interest and decision and action. Okay, these four stages. This is the funnel sales four stages. Okay, so the funnel stage will be like this. Okay, so there will be awareness stage and interest stage, and this is the decision and this is the action. So whenever you have a product, people should aware about this product, then only they will come into this room. Okay, once they are getting the awareness, they may have an interest about your product. This awareness makes them to this interest, this room. Okay, let me take another color so that can differentiate. Yeah, so this awareness status, this whoever lay in this room, they will come into the interest stage. Okay, when the user interest on in a product, they can have some trial, they may have get to know about your product. Okay, if they are still interested, they may come into the decision room. Okay, this interested people will come into the decision room. So this stage will be help in this kind of funnel. Okay, once the user, once the end customer is in the decision stage, we can make them convert into the action stage. Like we can talk about one example. So when let's say Hyundai as an example, Hyundai car, people want to let's say middle class people, they want to buy any car. What they will do is they won't go for a BMW. This is just for an example. They may not aware about the BMW features. They don't want to get aware about this product. So they know about any mid-variant car like i20 for their budget. Okay, so they will look up their budget. Based on their budget, they want to know about the product will come under their budget. So let's say i20, they want to aware about this product, right? They won't go for a BMW. So then the person come into this awareness stage, what they will do is they will reach out to the showroom. That way they will come into the interest part. What the salesperson will do is, okay, this guy interested on our projects, we want to make them convert. So how to convert that person? They can offer like a free test drive. They can offer something bonuses and offers, many things they will explain in their salesperson discussion. Okay, once they are coming to this decision stage, okay, for their daily convenience, they need to purchase a car. In that stage, if they are coming, for the salesperson, it will be very easy to convert them to the action part. So this is how people are taking the action. Okay, all industry giants will know about this funnel building clearly. Okay, So it will be applicable for all business, not about the size, any small business or a high-end business. Everyone will follow this IDA concept. This IDA concept is applicable for all. Sorry. Okay. So this IDA funnel stages will be applicable for all the users, all the businesses, all the digital marketers. Okay. So in this case, if the people, the mid class people aware about this Hyundai i20, let's say if anything came to know that about a BMW, they may visit a BMW showroom. Okay, that way they will get to know the awareness stage. Okay, this awareness stage, they may check about the features, they may check about the uh, BMW car all features. Means instead of buying the i20, they may think it like it's a matter of around 20 lakhs. Means if they somewhat they able to manage, means that time they will show the interest, then they will come into the stage, then followed by the decision stage. They will, the salesperson will push into him to this room. Automatically this the person is in the decision stage. They will take an action on it. They may go for the BMW car sale, or else somehow they may take an action on it. Okay, so this is how the funnel building working in the all industry. So we have understand about the funnel, right? Let's talk about click funnel. Let me clear the drawing. So what do you mean by, sorry, let me take a screenshot. Okay, yeah. So what is click funnel? Click funnel. So click funnel, let me explain. In a traditional way, we are having a blog and we have a website. Okay, what we are coming to the either any blogs or any website means people, if you want to come into the action stage, which means they want to purchase stage, they may come into the fall into your website. Here we have a menu. We have a one form filling kind of subscription form. Okay, there are many options. There is a video, and here you may have some secondary link. Okay, and here you have a button to go to any pages, and there are many links are there. People need to take a look at all the thing. If they want to click somewhere, the user will be left this page to another page. Okay, so this is how the user distracted from this sales page. So in that time, at the time of a user want to purchase, they may leave our site. They won't take action on it. They will leave the pages. So due to this much distraction, menu and a form action and a secondary link and some other buttons, to avoid these things, we have the next thing came into industry like landing pages. So what do you mean by landing pages? Landing pages, there will be no distraction like a menu, something like that. They will explain their product well with the video and some description. There is nothing about linking and all. Okay, so they may have some description and something will be that. There will be only one call to action. Okay, this one call to action only will be the case. So this only take the people to the action. We may not, people won't leave the page. They may take an action, means they will come into this page. If they want to take an action, we won't distract them. They will take an action on it. Okay, so this is how the landing page will work out. So how the ClickFunnels work on this landing page? Let me take on it. Okay, so in a ClickFunnels, there are a multiple ways to build your funnel. Funnel in the sense list of steps, which means the funnel. We have a opt-in means we have a one page, two pages. One is the pager to get them awareness about the product, and second one is the thank you pages. If it is a funnel, most of the pages have a offer stack kind of page, means you will have a flagship framework. Within that you have a pump offer, then you have a OTO1, and you have a OTO2, and you have a final thank you page. Okay, so this is how there is no distraction on it. So what is your goal? People will come into your page and they want to make a purchase, means they will come into the page and they will decide whether they want to purchase, means they will purchase. They won't distract with any other links. They will have only one call to action. Okay, if there is a pump offer they want, they can check that box, then make a purchase, and they will land up with a OTO. There will be one CTA, only one CTA in the page. There no more distraction in the page. And OTO2 also we have one more CTO. If everything is fine, we will the user will take action on it and will come into the thank you page. Okay, so this is the they see ClickFunnels pages, ClickFunnels software working. CF is the page builder. Okay, sorry, page builder. Here they have additional to the landing page builder, they have come up with the payment gateway option integration, and they have a integration with the third-party application. Like in some other video, I have explained about these things. I will drop you the link in the description. You can get to know more about it. Okay. Then we have a statistical analytics information. Okay. So this way, the people want to have a membership kind of thing. They are having a membership area, membership access. So suppose if you want to, these are the feature. Let me taking in another color. If you want to take this feature in your either in your WordPress site and any other application, you may need to look at your developer. There is a developer cost involved, your cost involved, your time is involved. There are many things, many parameters are involved to get this application done. So instead, you can go for a $97 thing. $97. You may get this entire feature within your sales ClickFunnels software. Okay, I hope you understand about this ClickFunnels page. In the upcoming video, let me explain the ClickFunnels features more. I hope you understand all the features. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me through the comment section, or you can drop a mail to reach me at shankarprakash.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching.